Okay, so right here, I have this Blackburn multi-tool that I have taken apart, and also this other Crank Brothers multi-tool. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the parts off of this multi-tool, the Blackburn, and off of this one, and combine them into one multi-tool that will be the best multi-tool I can have for my bike races. I'm going to make sure that I keep this right here, which is the chain breaker and quick link remover. Keeping that. I'm going to put that on my new one. I'm going to want to have this right here, so that I can put some of these bacon strips in my tires if I get a flat. Then I'm gonna want disc, brake pad separator, and Phillips screwdriver. I'm also gonna want just a bunch of these Allen wrenches. I'll just put as many of those as I can on. And then I'm gonna use the frame of this one so that I can put this bacon strip and quick link compartment on it. Okay, so this is the final product. You shake it, nothing will fall out of it. It's got a chain tool right here. It's got all your Allen wrenches, your bacon strip tube kit thing. It's got brake disc fixtures and more quick release holders. Got your chain breaker and quick link. And I checked all these fit on something that I could use for my bike to help with fixing it if I got a flat or broke something while I'm racing. I've got this, which just clips on top. It's got bacon strips, and inside, I don't know if you can see that right there, it's got some quick release. And you just clip this on here. It's extremely tight. And it is gonna be a lot better and like that. Put in your supply kit, shake as much as you want, nothing will fall out. So all you need is just a Blackburn multi-tool and this Crank Brothers multi-tool. M13, looks like. Crank Brothers M13 and Blackburn Tradesman. That's all you need. And then just a park tool, Allen wrench. Then you just throw it in your repair kit, and you've got an extremely capable multi-tool. Doesn't weigh a ton. It does take up a little bit more room than the original Blackburn Tradesman, but it has many more uses, and if you get a flat on like the sidewall of your tire, you'll be able to fix that, no problem, and get back on the race course.